Hey folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing of my Darn Good yarn subscription of the month for the month of November. I also wanted to say hi and welcome to all my returning and new watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for coming. If you like the content of my channel, please click like and subscribe. And again, hi and welcome to my members. Thank you so much for your continued support. It really helps here at the channel. So just a quick update. Yes, I did go on the Crochet Crowd Cruise. I wasn't able to meet Mikey. He was very sick, so he wasn't able to make it on the cruise. Had a nice time. Depending how I'm feeling, I may or may not do a video on that whole experience. But it was nice. Everybody was really great. I'm still hurting in my left arm from the tendon, and I have some other follow-up appointments to do, but right now my doctor is saying to limit my crochet time, so I'm kind of restricted as what I can do. And I also ended up getting sick on the last night of the cruise, and I've been sick all of last week, so finally feeling a bit better, but still very tired. So yeah, so just gonna do some quick videos to try to catch up and put some content here out on the channel. So yeah, so this was the yarn that I got for the month of November. I love it. It's really pretty. It's like this nice combination of like a light aqua, a teal, and then a darker blue color. Hi, let's try this again. Third time's the charm, right? So this is the yarn that I got from Darn Good Yarn for my November subscription kit. The colorway is called Harmony of the Divine. It's classified as a DK weight yarn. It's recycled silk yarn that they made from reclaimed saris. This was the November one that I received. Isn't it pretty? It's like a light aqua with a teal and a very pretty blue. Very nice and soft. So that's what it looks like. This is the info about the yarn that they give you on the card. Let me read it to you because it's like hard to read on there. I don't know. They put a size number 4, but then say it's DK weight. So DK weight is a size number 3, which it's actually like a little thinner than last month's or pretty close to it. So I would say, yeah, it could be between a 3 or a 4. Hand wash, lay flat to dry. It's 50 grams or 115 yards, 115 yards, or 1.6 ounces or 105 meters. I think they recommend size, I can't read that, 5 millimeter. I need like reading glasses for this because it's like really small. Anyways. No, it's not even making, like, focusing it real well. There we go. So, yeah. Anyways, super small. Says Harmony of the Divine, DK weight yarn inspired by the Egyptian goddesses Hathor, a symbol of joy, music, and love. This enchanting colorway flows through tranquil shades of blues and turquoise, evoking sacred waters. Sorry, now I look better. And celestial skies, soft, balanced, and radiant. It's perfect for the call of both serenity and strength. Together crafting garments and accessories, this yarn infuses each stitch with the soothing energy of divine harmony or of Hathor herself. So, want the cost that usually comes 3 hanks of yarn. They no longer cake it up for us. In the monthly subscription, you can choose if you want to skip or cancel. You can also add an extra hank for $8. The shipping, I think, is $3.95 within the US. I think the subscription is $25 a month, but for the complete accurate pricing, check their website. So, okay, my phone is giving me issues recording. Anyways, the yarn of the month from Darn Good Yarn. It comes with a book within the book, and it's really pretty art there. Within the book, they provide you some, that same information about the yarn. I'm not going to read it again because this video is giving me a pain to do. It's almost the same text. Anyways, they give you a free pattern for knit for the yarn. That's the knit one, which I guess is a Divine Harmony headband. It's pretty. And then the crochet pattern, and that one looks like it's granny stitch. So it's just a granny stitch headband. And yeah, and you get, you know, percentage rate off of discount code if you decide to order other stuff from them. And we get a cool little gift included too. So this time it was a little notebook charm. I'm actually going to open it. I don't know if it's actually a little paper that you can write on, but that's kind of cool. Yeah, I guess it's a little notebook. I guess you couldn't write too much on it unless you write super small. But maybe make little love notes to yourself. I don't know. But it's very cute though. So anyways, that's what I got for this month. It's cute that you can like tie it, you can bind it back up. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you, if you're celebrating the holidays, have a great holiday if this is around that time. But anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great time. Take care. Bye.